Today we're gonna make some chicken liver and heart. In Indian we call it Chicken Kaleji. It's a very easy recipe, really healthy as well. And this is what we need. So we have the onions here, we have some garlic, ginger, we have the chicken liver and pieces of heart there. This is 300 grams of it. A bit of freshly chopped coriander, pepper, salt, red chili, and turmeric. In the Indian cuisine, you have two types of dishes always. There's the fry and the masala. The fry tends to be the dry version, and the masala tends to be the one with the gravy. Today we're gonna make the fry, the non-gravy, dry one. So the first thing is, let's heat up our pan. And pour some oil. A lot of people tend to use nowadays mustard oil. We're just using olive oil. And we start by sautéing the onions until they become soft and brown. Chicken liver. So you just want them to get them brown, soft and brown, and that's when we're going to start adding the other things. So the onions have softened up now. You can see they've become golden brown. We're gonna add a little bit of ginger and garlic. If you have ginger and garlic paste, you can use that as well. Add that there. Maybe a bit more garlic because we do like our garlic. And let's just add a bit more of ginger as well, why not? That's pretty much like a teaspoon of each thing. Just really quickly, you mix it up because you don't want your garlic and ginger to burn. 30 seconds approximately or less, because now we're going to add the liver and the heart. We have it here. And we keep stirring now until the color of the liver and the heart changes. It goes from reddish to whitish. It's not necessary that you maintain the shape of the product. You can always cut it into little pieces as well. Now, while the meat is being cooked, it's going to be releasing a bit of water. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the salt now according to our flavor. So just mix it a little bit. Get the salt. That's it. No more. This is a strong salt. I'd say salt to taste. So if you're using table salt, probably like half a tablespoon. You don't want it to be too salty. You want it to have the flavors of the other spices. Let it cook a little bit, and then we're going to be adding the Kashmiri chili and the turmeric and the pepper. Okay, now we add a bit of black pepper. We add a teaspoon of chili pepper, red chili pepper. This is strong, that's why we just add a teaspoon, otherwise you can add more. And whatever quantity you add of that, you add half of turmeric. And we mix. So this is pretty much ready. We're just having our last minute mixing, and we're gonna garnish it with a bit of cilantro in the end. So just to tenderize the meat a little bit more, cover it. That has been covered for 2 to 3 minutes. Uncover it, mix it. You can see it's well done. And just garnish with coriander. Mix it up. If you need more oil during the process, you can always add more. We are not doing it just for health purposes. So, that's that. Turn off the fire. And literally just serve it. Let's give it a try, see if everything's fine. 10 out of 10. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see each other next time.